Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. For this week's Week in Review, May 19th, 2024. On stocks, you know I've not been really trusting this rally. I thought we would roll over again. You can see here the Wyckoff wave did have that overbought technometer as marked by the red highlight. Really, we've moved sideways now for over a week. I still think we're topping out here. I'll show the SPY here in a minute. But I think we're just testing the highs and going to turn down again. Wyckoff wave new index with Apple in it. You can see prices hit new highs. We can see volume down here in the blue, not coming into new highs. Volume not coming into the rally here. So again, I think we'll roll over here. The Wyckoff wave growth index, same type of thing. We were overbought. We have worked a little bit higher, but I think we will turn lower. Here, I think, is the tail, the SPY. You can see here, lower right, in gold, technometer, 50.16. So I do think we're doing what it will end up being a B wave here. Could be B of a triangle, so we could come down here and find support, let's say a 502, 503, or we actually come down hard through 490, give everybody a quick scare before we go to new highs again. So again, I think stocks are rolling over here. We'll see some downside. TLT has had 5 waves up off the lows. We are overbought. Volume did go to new high here. So I want to be a buyer on an ABC pullback back there to that 90 level. Let's see if we can get an oversold technometer here in the days ahead. Give us an entry on the TLT. Crude, I talked about it coming down and finding support at 77. We have done that. We've now done an ABC here. XLE is a little bit stronger. I gave a sell there at 98.06. And I wanted to see a breakdown to 92, 93. We did get that. I did trade a little bit there, but did not give an official buy down at the low. So I'm still sitting on the sidelines, and we'll be watching that. We are overbought. So again, I think we're headed a lot higher in crude and XLE, but I got to have the setup that I'm comfortable with. Gold I talked about was making a low down there also with an ABC pullback at that 212, 213 level. Here we are back at the highs. Same thing with the futures, gold futures, back near the highs. And then you can see silver had a big day Friday. Normally that shows that sentiment's getting a little bit out of hand on the bull side when silver does this. So again, I think gold and silver, if we go back to GLD, could be putting in some type of B wave as well. Could see something down here to 216, 215 possibly. But if you're long for longer term, stay long here. If you're looking for attractive entry on some short-term positions, maybe we'll see a little bit lower next week for that. Dollar, I've talked about continuing to go lower. That has happened. Dollar's staying sloppy here. Technometer 48. Let's look for still lower on the dollar. Bitcoin, as we show, we were a buyer at 58.2 for our subscribers at LearnCrypto.io and also our pro traders at WyckoffSMI.com. We're still long. I wanted to see a technometer there at 50 to get me out. You can see blue line here, volume, not really coming in too strong on the rally. We have had an ABC up, so a little bit worried about long positions, but we'll see how the week starts. Bitcoin futures, not much to add with price and volume. Again, you can see volume, the blue line, not coming in on this rally. So again, I think it's a little suspect. Ethereum, we bought down there at 2,900 on the break. I did have a sell stop at 29.90 to lock in a profit. So we are flat on Ethereum after taking $90 profit. We are about $80 higher. But again, technometer 48. Let's look for a better entry on the long side. And Apple has had a big rally off of the share buyback, and also Buffett talking bullish. But again, I think we'll find a secondary high here and come back down and visit that 180 level. Have a great week trading.